Hey everyone, this is a guide on how to cheat using a test bypass method. Normally, when you try to run Pearson VUE on a virtual machine, you can't do it because the system checks will block it. But with my special bypass, you can get around this block and run Pearson VUE on a virtual machine. So, first you'll go through the microphone, speaker, and webcam checks. Then, you'll download the exam. I'm skipping some parts here since downloading can take a while. Once downloaded, Pearson VUE checks for any issues. With a regular method, you'll get stopped if you're on a virtual machine. But with my bypass, Pearson VUE won't detect it and you can proceed with the exam on a VM. Once the exam starts, you can screenshot questions using Google Lens and use ChatGPT to find answers. That's how my bypass works. If you have questions or need my services, contact me on WhatsApp. I'm selling this method, so if you want it for your exams, reach out and I'll help set it up. I also cover all university subjects, certification exams, and other exams like GRE and GMAT. Thanks for watching and let's pass those exams.